Everyone say hi to Anne, our new model.
Hi.
We're going to learn to do one thing that is becoming very mainstream and accessible now, using LED lights for photo shoot and also video shoot. So to make things easy to understand and learn, we're going to have Anne sitting here, not moving and just smiling, and we're going to progressively add LED lights one by one and show you how they look like. Step number one, lower your ISO to ISO 100 and then keep your F number say at F4 or 5.6, and this is how we will look like now in natural lighting with no added LED light. Step number two, take one LED panel and put it away at the back like so. And then all you need to do is just turn this on and come to the camera and see how it looks like. It should form a fine outline on the shadow and also at the cheek and the jaw line of your subject. So I'm going to move this to the front a little bit and have this higher a little bit and tilt this down a little bit and see what we get. So this is how the light looks like now. Instead of having the light horizontal like so, remove this and have the light like this. And that's why some swivels actually have this four-way hole. So attach it this way, and you will now have a vertical oriented light. So bring this back, and you can now tilt it just like so. Have this a little bit higher. Good. And if you do this correctly, this part of the highlight shouldn't be that much. So all you need to do is just close the light by turning the light. So just move it to the front a little bit. Ensure that your rim light does not hit the background. So if done correctly, this is how the first light look like. It colors the hair, it outlines her cheek and the shoulder and her arm. Similarly, I'm going to add another one to the right hand side. So it's pretty easy. Identical orientation and tilt in every way. Turn it on and move this. Here's an additional thing that you can do. You can come over this side and off this. So always make it a habit to add one light at a time. So as you can see, the power is a little bit strong. So I'm going to bring this down a little bit. Even though both of these lights look identical, they're not the same. Twins are never the same. This light is on, and let's turn back this light again. And look at how it looks like now. This should be a perfect rim light. So I have a bit of variances on the right hand side and the left hand side. A little bit more edge over here, that's fine. All we need to do now is to add one more light. And we're going to add our third light, which is the main light. This is a CamTV 310B. Check out this video where you get all the information about this light. I like this light because it's big enough. So what we're going to do is move the light to about 1 o'clock or 11 o'clock. We're trying to get a little bit of a beauty light on Anne's face here. What you're seeing here is actually the softbox, the side of it. So I'm going to move this light to the back of the camera. Make sure you don't obscure the subject. And then we're going to turn this on. And there you have it. We now have to move this light out of the way, not to obstruct the camera. So if you look at this now, the light is a little bit strong. We can see highlight on Anne's face. Strong light is not problematic. Weak light is the bigger problem. So this is now directly in front. As you can see, the face now has a lot of highlight. We're going to do this. So I now have to bring the intensity down. If you look at this histogram now, this huge peak is the white wall at the back. It's not entirely white, it's gray now. So I'm going to increase the intensity until her face looks brighter. That's good. And what I need to do now is to add on a second light. So I bet you have gone online and bought something before, and they come with this insulation bag, and many times it is reflective. So you can get something like this or anything that's reflective. And what you do is just put this at the front, like so that the main light bounces on this and this clears up the shadow. So let me show you what happens without and with. Right, so just get your model to hold this and voila, that's your 3-light setup. And thanks for modeling for us today. Viewers, thank you for watching this simple episode how you can set up your LED lights effectively and get beauty headshots like this. If you enjoy what you learned from this channel, I'm back. Let's make more videos. Need your help? Click on the subscribe button. I would love to hear your comment whether you have integrated LED lights into your photo shoot and how you do that, how you make this shoot better. I'd love to hear more. Head on to the comment section and tell us what you do. And tell us if you'd like to see Anne back in this channel again. And what would you like to learn? And finally, before we leave, head on to my e-learning website, check out our premium courses and the e-learning courses and all access. Hi everyone, say hi. She looks like, look like. We're gonna eliminate this by bringing down the intensity of the light, which is not this button. Nope. Wait, cannot. I can't see jack shit. You tell me when it looks good.